Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Apple Home app Wi-Fi network settings for cameras, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Apple Home app Wi-Fi network settings for cameras, start by ensuring your iPhone or iPad is updated to the latest version of iOS. Open the Home app on your device. Tap on the Home icon located in the upper left corner of the screen. Select the Home Settings option from the menu. Scroll down and look for the Wi-Fi settings section. Make sure your camera is powered on and connected to the current Wi-Fi network. Take note of the Wi-Fi network name and password you are currently using. Next, disconnect from the current Wi-Fi network that your camera is on. Connect your iPhone or iPad to the new Wi-Fi network you want to use. Once connected, return to the Home app. Tap on the camera you wish to update. Scroll down to the Settings section of the camera. Locate the option that says Wi-Fi network and tap on it. You will see a list of available networks. Select your new Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter the password for the new Wi-Fi network, then tap Join. Wait for the camera to connect to the new network. Once connected, you will receive a confirmation message. Your camera's Wi-Fi settings should now be updated. You can now test the camera to ensure it works properly on the new network. If all goes well, your Apple Home app should have successfully transferred the Wi-Fi network settings for your camera. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.